how to go live on TikTok PC. So if you want to go live on your TikTok PC, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your browser and search for TikTok Live Studio. Once you go with TikTok Live Studio, here you will have all of these searches. So you just need simply go with the first one, which is www.tiktok.com. Go with download Live Studio, and it will take you to this kind of page. Here it says it only supports 64-bit Windows 10 or newer. So make sure that your device is 64-bit, and then you can go with download for Windows or just go with download, which is on the upper right, and you need to start the download. Once you've started the downloading process, then you need to open up your TikTok Live Studio, which looks like this. So you can simply go with the left side, which has add source option. You can simply go with add source. Once you go with add source, then you'll be able to add a source, and then you will have go live option. You can go live. But on your browser, you can't go live. You just need to simply go and download the TikTok Live Studio application. Once you install the TikTok Live Studio, then you can go live on your TikTok from your PC. So that's how you can go live on your TikTok on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.